Hello everyone, welcome back on Marine Propulsion Pro. Today we are going to discuss about what are the safety devices fitted on marine two-stage air compressor. Let's start. Marine two-stage air compressors are critical for ship operations. Safety devices ensure their reliable and safe functioning, preventing damage and accidents. 1. Pressure relief valve purpose: to release excess pressure and prevent overpressurization. Function: opens automatically when pressure exceeds safe limits. 2. Intercooler relief valve purpose: protects the intercooler from overpressurization. Function: releases pressure between the first and second compression stages. 3. High temperature alarm purpose: alerts operators to excessive temperature. Function: triggers an alarm if air or component temperatures exceed safe levels. 4. Low lubricanting oil pressure purpose: prevents damage due to insufficient lubrication. Function: activates an alarm if oil pressure falls below the minimum limit. 5. Safety burst disc purpose: prevents catastrophic failure due to extreme pressure. Function: bursts to release pressure when it exceeds the design limit. 6. Auto stop feature purpose: automatically stops the compressor in unsafe conditions. Function: shuts down the system during high temperature, low oil pressure, or overloading. 7. Unloader: the unloader on a two-stage air compressor serves to reduce the starting load on the compressor by keeping the suction valves open during startup. This prevents compression and ensures the motor can start smoothly without being overloaded. Once the compressor achieves operating speed, the unloader closes the valves, allowing normal compression. 8. Overload relay: protects the motor from electrical overloading by disconnecting power if excessive current is detected. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more contents.